if you haven't heard, Ryobi just announced, and it's not the first time we actually heard about it, of the 1,000 watt 80 volt power station, or at least inverter. Now, like I said, it's not the first time we've heard about it. They actually announced it a long time ago, and now, well, they're bringing it back, and that's really good because if you notice, I'm holding this 80 volt battery, which goes to this really nice tractor. Now, this really nice tractor runs off of these 80 volt batteries, and it takes 3 of them. These are 80 volts at 10 amp hours. They're little suitcase batteries, and well, it's the winter time. Well, it's not the winter time. Through the winter time, I usually store them, but it's had 100%. It's keeping all of that percentage, and it's done a great job. Now, with these batteries, Ryobi has came out with at least one tool. It'd be great if they came out with a little bit more other than putting them in the tractors and mowers. But with that being said, it's 1,800 starting watts, and it is 1,000 running watts. So that's really good. What are you going to be able to do with that? You're going to be able to run your refrigerators. You're going to be able to run a pellet stove pretty easily. You're going to be able to run small appliances, TVs, stuff like that, take it on camping trips. But the one thing that I wanted to highlight that not a lot of people are talking about is that you can actually run it off the tractor. So, it comes with a whip. You're going to be able to take the whip and actually plug it into the charging port of this tractor, and you're going to be able to use the inverter. So if you're in the woods or somewhere else or in your yard, you need gobs of power, and you're going to have 30 amp hours of 80 volt power, and that's going to translate into a ton of power coming out of that 1,000 watt inverter. You're going to be able to do it with the tractor, and you're going to be able to do it with these batteries. Now, if you back your tractor up, use the inverter and all that good stuff, maybe you get a lot of power if you have a power outage. I'm not sure how that's really going to work, but I will say this. You got options, and it's a good start to use these batteries. Other than using them only in the tractors, that makes the tractors and the whole platform a little bit more attractive, and I think that's what we're looking at. Now, it's not cheap, but it's going to get you where you need to be, and it's an accessory that you can utilize some of the stuff that you already have. Now, keep a lookout. Hopefully it's going to come out soon. I'm not so sure exactly when it's going to come out, but keep your eyes peeled. I'm excited about it. You should be excited about it too, especially if you have a tractor or if you're looking into getting into the 80 volt platform in the mowers and tractors. It's just another attractive thing that you're going to see out there. My name is Brent. This is Live Free and Toolon. I'm trying to bring you some of the really cool stuff that's coming out. Hopefully you're as excited as I am. And until next time, get out there, go build something, make mistakes, learn from your mistakes, pass on your solutions to the next generation, and we will all be better for it at the end of the day. I hope to see you all in the next video. Take care.